Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video about two pairs, US dollar index and Euro USD and Pound USD. I made the chart about them a few days ago, and and then I got busy with yen pairs. Of course, yen was on the move, right? So somebody asked me that, how come I didn't post any trades as I said that in Euro USD and Pound USD. So I said, let me explain why not. First of all, this was the chart, the US dollar index monthly chart that is still a drop from here, right? And if it's going to drop below this number, 1753 was the number in question. And I was expecting that it's going to drop, or it's going to bounce and go above. What else, right? So based on this chart, I made a couple of charts, right? First, Euro USD, it was, at that time, it was sitting, making a harmonic pattern currently like this. And it usually bounce, from here, it usually goes either down or up. So it came down and then finished the Gertler pattern here, 78%, right? And it's supposed to be going to the upside. But I said that, okay, what if it is going to be like you? Well, let me also show you the other chart. This is the other chart. If USD will bounce above 1753, then what? Then it will go down, and this will be the pattern that like earlier wave count 1, 2, then we will come down for wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and it will also make this pattern here, right? So both ways are covered. That either way, wherever it goes, we will. I will just look for my setup and then trade it. Simple as that. Similarly, Pound USD charts I made that if the US dollar will get strong go above the level, then this thing is gonna go down if US dollar gets strong, right? And it is the number was 2447 to watch. Why? Because this is the key number, and it is if US dollar gets weaker, it will go up. There will be another pattern. And if it goes down, this will be the pattern. Now, the other pattern, what happened is that it came down a little bit to this line. Let me show you. When it came down a little bit, then this 23% line, my favorite line to bounce, right? So I made this chart on the 22nd that now it will probably go up. Why? Because a USD, US dollar index over there, after hitting 1753, it was kind of like holding back. Let me show you the weekly chart. See this US, let me show you the weekly is much better. Weekly chart, right? So this was my other scenario that if we break above 1753, then these will be the target. And those pair will turn to the other side, right? This is what's going to happen if that happens. If you go above this, then these pair will go down and this. But we stayed below 1753 so far. This chart is current as for today, as right now, right? Friday market already closed. This is how we closed. So we hit 1753. We came down. We went up. We are confused here. Not USD, not we are. USD confused here, right? And of course, who is behind that? People, right? You and I. So a confusion right now. It's in the air. So let's see. So now, in the meantime, other pairs are moving, right? So I have to be, where the action is, and that's how you make money. So this is what happened. So now, did I do nothing at all? No. When the pound USD actually moved a little bit, Euro USD is completely nonsense. That's why I don't like it. I mean, I don't know. It's people say that it is most traded pair in the world, where the whole week, last whole week, this week, which ended today, it didn't even move more than 150 pip. It moved around like 135, 140 pip. Come on, man. Yen pairs move that much in one day, right? Euro Aussie, they move like crazy, right? So if you want to make more pip, more money, you have to be with the pair that move, not Euro USD and stuff like Euro franc and Euro stuff like that. They don't move. They don't move. The daily range is you can see the daily range, very, very small. So that's what happened. But see, what I did was, let me show you. Based on this, I had a couple of trades. Yeah. So when pound USD was coming down, see, this is for 2447. You see that? I forgot to mark here, but this is 24.47 if you can read. And it came down below, and then this is 23.96, another strong number. So I had a short here and 75 pip to the downside. But then I had to make this chart. I saw it that it is hitting this 23% line. And then US dollar is not going up. It got stopped over there. So I said, okay, we have a chance here now that it might go up. Okay. So I said, all right, I'm going to hold on to it. I closed that trade, and then I start watching, and USD start, to get weaker a little bit, start to get down. And then after that, what happened? It came up, it became bullish. The pound USD 7-minute chart, you can see clearly it's 7-minute entry here, and then 55 pip trade to the upside. Also, I took this trade and record the chart, even though I never record the chart below less than 50 pip. But just to show that I did watch these pairs, but they're not moving, right? But this is my EUR-USD entry, 35 pip. See, it was all mixed up here, and then all of a sudden it goes up, down. Give me the setup here. This is the long setup. Buy order is right there. Then it move, and then look what happened. This time, even 35 pip, man. So I said, what the hell with it? I closed that trade, and I just went some other pairs, gold, indices, everything was moving, right? So this is what happened. It's not that I just have my eyes closed from these pairs, but it's just that they're not moving. This is just this week was not their week. USD didn't move much, and nothing moved much. USD yen went up because of the yen, by the way, right? Yen index, if I show you, I'm going to make a separate video, by the way, but yen index, I can show you the chart that I made before. Look, this is the chart I made, right? Yen index monthly chart, and I made it on 23rd March. And my target was, the first target is 73.30, then maybe 74.50 all the way, right? I was expecting D here. So let's talk about the first target, 73.30. So where we are now? But okay, I gotta switch this. Not gonna take much. So 73.30, remember number, right? Remember that 73.30. I want to have the chart here open. So now where we are now, the yen index, take a look. Yen index, right there. See that how powerfully we are going towards that number? Same chart. And it marks 61% at 73.30. And then, so we might get stopped here or all the way over there. Now, what happened? Yen index, when yen index goes up, everything goes up, everything, right? Well, you know what? I'm going to make a separate video. I'm not going to mix up this USD, pound USD, euro USD. All right, so you got the idea about the pound USD, euro USD. I had 3 trades this week in this, but small trades and nothing important, and that's why I didn't make the video. But when somebody asks, okay, let me just make a small video to show that yes, they are there, the charts are there, but it's just a matter of some kind of really good push or catalyst that we need to move a US dollar index. If that move, USD pair will move. Okay, so this is it for now, and let me go and make the yen video. That will be very interesting. All right, so bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? So you can get these videos and insights about the market and everything else. All right, so bye for now, and have a very, very wonderful weekend. Enjoy.